Hello everyone, welcome you all to Opportunity Seekers YouTube channel, a door of smart people. This channel has been created to share with you about scholarship opportunities, internship opportunities, online courses, training, and also job opportunities, and also how to earn online. So this sort of opportunities I will share with you in this platform. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe my channel. I would like to share with you in this video about fully funded stipendium Hungry Scholarship 2021. So in this video you will get to know a short description about stipendium Hungry Scholarship, as well as summary of the scholarship. What is about this scholarship, course level and duration of scholarship, eligibility criteria, required documents, scholarship benefits, how to apply for the scholarship, and also links and email addresses. Official link of this scholarship, and also email address to contact. So I would like to share with you whole step by step. I won't take that much time, but before starting this sessions, I would just say that if you are looking for the opportunities, this channel is for you, and this is very first video of this YouTube channel. So therefore, if you want to keep updated yourself, if you want to keep yourself updated, I would like to request you to subscribe this channel and like our page. I hope you will be enjoying this video. So let's get started. Well, what is this Stipendium Hungarium Scholarship about? Actually, the Stipendium Hungarium Scholarship was established by the Hungarian government back in 2013. The program is supervised by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade and managed by the Tempus Public Foundation. So, as you know, this is one of the prestigious government scholarship provided by the Hungary government, and this program is offered for the bachelor, masters, non-degree and doctoral programs also. Stipendium Hungaricum is one of the best scholarship program in Europe. The scholarship in Hungary are offered for English taught programs at 31 Hungarian higher educational institutions. So 31 universities are participating in this program. Then summary of the scholarship, you see host country is Hungary, university name, 31 institutions, 31 government universities are participating in this program, and 5,000 scholarships are being offered for different level like bachelor, masters, PhD and non-degree program. If you see financial cover is fully funded, including your tuition fees, accommodation, food, insurance, everything is being covered by this scholarship. Or you can say that this is a great opportunity for the international students. And application deadline is 16 January 2021 for this year, for these sessions. So next, move on to course level. You see, if you apply for the bachelor program, scholarship duration is 2 to 4 years. Maximum 4 years, minimum 2 years. And for the masters, 1.5 year to 2 years. Minimum 1.5 year and maximum 2 years. And one-tier master's program, I will describe you about in these details, 5 to 6 years. And doctoral scholarship is for 4 years and non-degree programs for 1 year. And you see eligibility criteria, 70 eligible countries may apply for this program, and Bangladesh, India is one of them. For bachelor degree, must have secondary school graduation certificate. If you apply for the bachelor, you must have 12 class, which is a higher secondary level you have to finish from your home country. And for master's degree, you must have bachelor degree, 16 years of studies. And if you apply for the doctoral program, you must have the 18 years of studies. So these are the eligibility criteria. And one of the most important thing is that IELTS is not mandatory for this program, which is the great advantage for the scholarship. And required documents, which documents you are required to apply for this program: certificate of education. So if you apply for the bachelor, you must have a high school diploma, and if you apply for the masters, you have to have the bachelor diploma, and if you apply for the master PhD or doctoral program, you have to have the master's diploma. And proof of citizenship, obviously your passport as an international candidate and short resume of CV. I would suggest you for Europass CV. And medical certificate is mandatory, but it is not mandatory during application, but it is mandatory during arrival. Having an IELTS TOEFL language certificate is not compulsory. I mean, this IELTS TOEFL is not compulsory if you have the media of instruction, which is called MOI. And recommendation letters is mandatory for the master's and PhD level and research proposal. And one of the most important required documents for this scholarship is your statement of purpose, or which is called motivation letter. And this motivation letter means a lot for this scholarship. So you have to write a motivation letter, and and you have to take time to write it, because you have to be careful to write this motivation letter, which actually reflects why you are eligible for this scholarship. You have to explain in this letter, and why did you choose this program, why did you choose this university, how will it reflect in your career. This sort of things you have to mention in your motivation letter. And scholarship benefits, full tuition fee covered for BS, MS, PhD, bachelor, masters, or PhD, whatever program you apply for. A monthly stipend, this is an Hungarian amount. You can convert into your local currency. If you are Indian rupee. If you are Bangladeshi, in Bangladeshi rupee. This is an 43,700 monthly stipend. Full accommodation will be provided. Health insurance, round airfare tickets will be also be provided. You see, everything is being covered with this scholarship. And one more thing, like this stipend amount is varies, because if you are for bachelor it is lower, if you masters this is medium, and if you are for PhD this is higher. It's approximately, for the PhD scholarship is approximately 450 euro. So if you go to the page, I'll share with you the link in my description below. You will find everything in that links, how to apply for these links and email addresses. If you click this link, you will find. Let's move on to the official website of Anglican Scholarship. You'll find this link to my description below, and this is their official page. You will find here about partners, study finders, apply, scholarship holders, news, and contact. Everything you'll get here. So my next video, I will share with you how to apply for this Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship step by step. So if you like this video, and if you want to get my next video about Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship application procedure, please subscribe my channel and encourage me and write in my comments. This was very first video of the channel, so I will share with you the step by step in details how to apply for this program and application procedure. I hope you will enjoy this very video and you will be able to apply after watching this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.